Look what you've done. Look what you've done to me. Oh my goodness, guys. Whew, I am full of emotions. Look what I have here. I just received the silver button. Look what you've done to me. This is really crazy. I am full of emotions now. Wow. So guys, this is the moment. I don't wanna open this. No, I wanna open, but I don't wanna. So let me show you the box. We have some invoices here. Okay, doesn't matter. This is the box. Whew. My real name, by the way, Dionysii Serebrian. So, are you ready, guys? Am I ready? This is all because of you. You made me happy, and I'm so thankful. Okay, let's start. No. Do I have to play some music? No. Okay, guys, now I can open it. I'm a little bit afraid. At the same time, so happy. No. Okay. Not yet. Let me show you. What do we have here? Wow. We have a card with congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Thank you, Rick, by the way. Rick, I was talking to Rick. Thank you, Rick. Okay. We have a letter. Okay, I will read it after filming. Guys, I really don't believe, I still don't believe I received it. It's here. And wow. Oh my god. I don't know if you see. Presented to Dan Silver. Wow, wow, and wow! Guys, I am speechless. I am speechless. The award is here. This is so beautiful. Oh, you can see me there. And we can see Dan Silver for passing 100k subscribers. This is so special, guys, and it's because of you, and I really feel so happy. Thank you for this. So I have to find a place where to put it. Maybe right here. The button is so beautiful. So beautiful. I am full of positive, warm and kind emotions, and it's all because of you, because you are here on this channel, you are watching, you are talking, you are suggesting, you are just giving love, receiving love, I guess. Thank you so much for this. This is yours, this is ours, and we are on the road to 1 million subs. For a golden button, but now we are happy for this. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, don't forget it, and I wish you all the best. Keep safe and believe in yourself. Bye.